Look at that! A hedgehog in a jacket! What is it wearing?
Still coming down out there. But it's warm enough in here, huh? We'll wait it out together. Tomorrow's bound to be brighter.
You saved her. You saved my sweet Miso. I don't even know how to thank you.
You just did. She was stuck, and I was close by. Couldn't just walk past.
Still, you're such a patient little guy, aren't you, Mr. Prickles? And you, Peanut, you're being the silliest hat ever. Here comes the rinse, nice and warm.